Okay, so here we've got the Sew Over It Emily top, and isn't it cute? It works lovely with this Nevis skirt. I feel super summery today. It is warm. You can hear the aircon buzzing in the background. But yeah, I'm really pleased with how this has turned out. If I made it again, I'd maybe shorten the straps slightly, maybe raise the armholes a bit, showing a little bit of bra there and also at the back. But you know, it's summer. You could wear this with swimwear underneath, a bikini or a swimsuit and shorts just for beach holidays, etc. But it feels quite light and breezy in this fabric that I've made it from. And it just feels good. And also, I made this cute little hairband just from a strip of the fabric. I haven't even finished the edges. Shh, don't tell anyone. Let me show you another combo. So summer is here. Okay, so I've got these really cool sunnies off Amazon that go over my sunglasses. The church bells are just going, I don't know if you can hear them. So it goes really nice with denim. These denim shorts work so well with the top. And the Joshy Duster as an over is really nice too. All in all, I just think this is a perfect summer, from beach casual to brunch with girls to even a summer party. I think it's just nice. So yeah. So I'm looking forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really soon.